Hi, it's me. There are about 18 penguin species alive today, all found only in the Southern Hemisphere, which means there are no penguins in the Northern Hemisphere at all. Also, they're all flightless birds. Their ancestors were white-throated petrels that evolved into penguins over a period of about 6 million years after arriving in Antarctica from New Zealand. Now, all penguins have torpedo-shaped bodies, dense, stiff feathers for streamlining, wings that are short and stiff, perfect for swimming but not so much for flying, and webbed feet that help them steer underwater. Their bellies are usually white, and their backs are usually black. And this coloring is called countershading. It helps them blend in while swimming. When viewed from above, the dark back blends in with the dark water, making it harder for predators to spot them. And from below, their white bellies make them harder to see against the bright sky. Penguins can't just waddle around on land. They need to slide on their bellies to get around. That's because their legs are so short and their bodies are so heavy. The only time they stand up on their legs is when they're trying to fly, but most of the time they're just sliding. Emperor penguins are the largest of the penguin species, while little blue penguins are the smallest. Penguins live in both cold and warm ocean climates. And even though they're called penguins, the only place you can find penguins is in the Southern Hemisphere. They're found in Antarctica, South America, Africa, Australia, New Zealand, and the subantarctic islands. And even though we think of penguins as being solitary creatures, they actually live in groups called colonies that can number in the thousands. These colonies are usually located on rocky treeless headlands or beaches, and the male and female penguins take turns laying their eggs and then incubating them. Once the egg is laid, it's incubated for about 2 months before it hatches, and baby penguins are called chicks. And even though they're born flightless, they still have the instinct to fly. So when the chick is only a few weeks old, it will jump and flap its wings to practice flying. But don't worry, the chicks don't actually fly away. Their jumps are more like hops. When they're not practicing flying, chicks spend their time begging for food from their parents and getting their bellies rubbed by their mom and dad. And they stay with their parents for about 2 to 3 months before they're ready to venture out on their own. Thanks for watching. See you next time.